Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra running the One UI 7 new Home Up customization setting. So to use this new home screen customization, you need to open the Play Store application on your device and download the Good Lock app or Home Lock app. Search for the Good Lock or Home Lock application. Here you can find the Find Lock only for Samsung. Make sure download and install this application on your device, Find Lock application on your Samsung device to customize One UI 7 home screen on your Samsung S25 series. After downloading it, open on your Samsung device this application. Here we already installed the Home Up application, so you need to install this Home Up application. You can find Home Up in this list. Just tap on it and download it on your device. After complete the download file, tap on a Home App, tap on a Open Anyway. In the latest One UI 7 Home Up setting, you can see the new home screen and a gesture setting. First, let's see home screen. Tap on a home screen. Now toggle on it. Here you can find the DIY home screen setting on latest One UI 7 update. So toggle on it. Now tap on it. Now when you enable this option, you can decorate your home screen by adding various stickers. You can use more sticker from the store. Also freely move item on the home screen. Let's see how it works. So go to home screen. Long press the application and move it to other. You can easily add one application to another. Also add widget one into another like this. So this is very handy feature. You can connect, add multiple application also on like this feature. Add one application to another using this latest One UI 7 customizer. This is insane. Also open app drawer like this folder. Long press it and move it to any widget also. So this is very helpful feature. Tap on a folder. You can also long press it, see the enlarged folder in app drawer or home screen also. So you can easily customize this option. You can also use other home up setting by go to Find Lock, go to Home App, Open Anyway. Here you can find the other gesture setting. Here you can see the gesture setting. Toggle on it, tap on it. Here you can find new home gesture animation. So you can use this gesture animation also. Toggle on it and tap on it. Now you can find the different home gesture animation. When you swipe up and hold to go to home screen, you can see by default set the classic or you can select the elegance. Now go to home screen and you can see changes the background effect or both dynamic. Go to home screen. So you can select the home gesture animation also. Also you can setting the advanced tuning detail settings. Here you can icon movement improvement. Also increase or decrease the size of horizontal or vertical you want to set or application. So this is the very different customization setting. Here you can see how it looks. Also increase or decrease scale duration. So this is the very helpful and new One UI 7 home up customization setting for a Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. That's it. If you like it, share it.